My name is Krithi and I am a rising sophomore in high school, and I founded WhyFI Matters in April of this year. So you might be wondering what WhyFI Matters really is. Well, to sum it up, we're a global platform for tween and teen financial literacy. We started off as a podcast covering topics such as consumerism, racial wealth gaps, student loan debt, and side hustling. We've heard from experts in their industry as well as amazing teen entrepreneurs. But I quickly realized that in order to make the biggest impact, we needed to reach other communities and youth organizations and nonprofits to help as many kids as we can. This is why we have created Fin ED, or Financial Education. Through our Fin ED workshops, like the one you're going to be participating in, you will take the first steps to your financial independence journey by improving your financial literacy. I'm so excited that my friends Katie and Annika, you will hear from shortly, have taken upon this initiative and who are the co-directors of Fin ED. All in all, we at WhyFI Matters are so excited to have this opportunity to work with you so that hopefully we all don't have to live in our parents' basements when we're older.